In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by opening Clock app that's already on your POCO and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. You need to tap on Allow in all available pop-ups. Then, before doing anything, click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings to check out all of those and also additional alarm settings. Here you can adjust stuff like snooze. Now, once you're done, go back and click on this plus at the bottom right corner to finally create new alarm. Start by setting up an hour at the top. If you wanna use this alarm only once, you can use this option called Delete after alarms goes off. Just click on the switcher next to it to turn it on or switch it off. If you wanna use it more than once though, you can click on Repeat and pick one of those options. Once, Daily, Monday to Friday, or Custom. If you want to select Customize, click on it and pick Days of the week manually. Then save them by going back. You can finally choose Ringtone. Pick one of those options. Make sure to tap on Allow and go back, or select All Ringtones. Tap on Pre-installed ringtones and either choose Apply next to one of those, confirm your choice in the pop-up and hit Allow, or use this plus at the bottom right corner to pick any song from your smartphone and set it up. If you see this pop-up about File Manager, hit Agree to continue and Allow. Now tap on the song and make sure to hit Apply right next to it. Then select OK and go back once more. Here you can tap on Label to name your alarm however you want to. And lastly, use this check mark at the top right corner to finally save it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it on or off, operate this switcher right next to it and pick one of the options from the pop-up. If you wanna make some changes to it, click on it, hit Additional Settings on the left and change whatever you want to. Then either discard your changes thanks to this X or save them thanks to this check mark. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm completely, just hold the chosen one and tap on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!